Today, we review the best camera under $700 that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Nikon D7200. The D7200 is a prime example of an older mid-range DSLR that packs enough under its skin to maintain its relevance in today's market. Ideal for those capturing outdoors, the 24.2 MP APS-C sensor lacks a low-pass filter to help it retain plenty of detail, while the 51-point AF system is adept at tracking moving subjects.
Number 2.
Nikon D5300. D5300 is super affordable, has one of the sharpest APS-C sensors out there, and a neat retracting kit lens. The controls are designed to be simple for novices, and in the right hands it's a match for cameras costing far more. If you're looking to get more creative with your photography, and looking for your first DSLR, the Nikon D5300 is hard to beat.
Number 3.
Canon EOS 800D. The sensor impresses, as does the 45-point autofocus system backed up by excellent live view AF, while the graphical interface will certainly make this camera even more appealing to new users. The absence of 4K video and the quality of the exterior materials disappoint, but this aside, if you're looking for a well-rounded and easy-to-use camera for your first DSLR, the EOS Rebel T7i EOS 800D is certainly a very good bet.
Number 4.
Canon EOS Rebel SL2. At its heart is a new 24.2 MP sensor and cutting-edge DIGIC7 image processor, upping the maximum sensitivity to ISO 51200 in expanded mode and boosting burst capture from 4 fps to 5 fps, though video recording still maxes out at full HD 1080p. It comes with Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built in, and photographers new to DSLR shooting will appreciate Canon's guided shooting mode.
Number 5.
Nikon D5300. It provides first-time DSLR users with a stronger set of specs than the average entry-level DSLR, with a 3.2 inches LCD that flips all the way out to face the front, together with a 39-point AF system, full HD video recording to 60p and 5 fps burst shooting. Of course, none of that would matter if the image quality wasn't up to scratch, but fortunately it is. The 24.1 MP APS-C sensor has been designed without the optical low-pass filter to help as much detail to get into images as possible, and results at high ISO settings remain strong.